Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Happy New Year to you and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm here to share with you a new product reveal, and today I will be sharing the Slimline Hearts background die. There are so many things that can be done with this particular die. I absolutely fell in love with it when I saw it. It does cut out all of those little hearts and there's stitching around the border. It measures 3 1/4 by 8 1/2, and this is what it looks like cut out just from plain white cardstock. One of the other things is that you do end up with all these little bits of hearts left over, which would be great to use for a shaker card. And the other thing that the die is really good for is to use it as a scraper to move all of your little bits off to the side. I do have 2 samples to share with you today, and this first one I cut it out from craft cardstock, and I used some of the white hearts and adhered those on the inside of some of the the hearts that were cut out. I used the bold ABCs die set for my XOXO, and I also used the Bookmark and Tag Die Set to adhere onto the front of the card. For my second card, I did some easy ink blending on the background. And I had to use that little zebra corn because I thought that she was so sweet and so whimsical to go with my rainbow candy hearts. And then I used the Everyday Mini Sentiment stamps to add some sentiments to my candy hearts. For more information about the products used, they'll be linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.